Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a simple recipe of sour cream. So I make my sour cream at home and it's fermented, so it's even healthier than the normal sour cream. It has probiotics. So let's go ahead and see how I make it. It's a great accompaniment to so many dishes and it's a great way to get some probiotics into your body. So let's go ahead and see how I make this. Here I've taken some yogurt culture. So this is from any live yogurt that you might have at home. You can't use the pasteurized version that is available in the market because it is fermented, but all the live bacteria from it has been killed. So you need something that is live. In India, there are dairy farms where you can find this. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of that. I'm putting it in the bottle and you want to sort of like swirl it around or touch all the sides of the bottle too. And I'm also pouring some heavy cream into this. You can use either fresh cream, heavy cream, double cream, whatever you call it. Anything that you like, you can pour into it. If you can warm the cream up beforehand, even better. This is room temperature cream, so I haven't done that. But if you're going to grab cream from the refrigerator, then you need to warm it up a little bit in the microwave. It should be slightly warmer than your body temperature. So you don't want to heat it up because that will kill the bacteria. Once you do that, mix these two well, cover the bottle up and put it in a warm place. So if you live in a cold country, then you might want to put it next to the heater, not right on top of it. So you never want it to get hot. You just want it to get warm and remain in a constant temperature. If that is done, your sour cream will be ready within 8 to 12 hours, again depending on the temperature of the house. I'm going to set my yogurt or my sour cream inside my mealy pot because that maintains the temperature exactly to what you need to ferment any kind of a dairy product. So this is my mealy pot and I already have one bottle in which I have set my yogurt, and I'm putting my bottle inside this. I'm going to close this and let this sit for 8 hours, and then I'm going to check on this, and after that both these things are going to be fermented and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and then onwards I think it will be fine to keep it in the refrigerator for the next 5 days. And look at how beautiful it looks. It's completely set, it's thickened. You can see. I'm going to grab a spoon and show you what it looks like. Look at that. If you like watching these kind of recipes where I'm making some of the homemade ingredients, let me know in the comments section. Also, if you try it out, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.